In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to access location in Mobile Legend game. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Let's go into video. Open your Mobile Legend game and you can see a profile icon left side top corner. Tap on that. And under the profile icon, you can see my location is already accessible. So let's see how do I did that. First, swipe down the game and go to your settings. So in settings, just scroll down until you find the Mobile Legend and the location. You can give one of these options, ask next time or while using this app. I always prefer while using this app, so I'll keep it as it is and go back, and you can see your location is updated here. And this is how we update location in Mobile Legend game. And thank you for watching my video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button.